I'm the mad scientist. That's Deborah Dent and her beautiful car. And that's Miss Deborah Dent.
Look, wave. Tapped in. Lately my life had a fast man, but it's ass plan. Fight for my life with the brass hands, and I still ball with a bad hand. Got an aerial point of view, but they'll never see the big picture through zoom lens. From the quicksand, make it push start, type of band's coupe with the tent plan. I'm back on my bender rolls for the kicks. They quick to give them 2 cents, put my circle tight like we glued hands.
Hey guys, this is Charles Blair, the mad scientist with Mastermind Student Extraordinaire and House Hunter,
Deborah Dent.
and we are on our way to a property that Deborah has gotten under contract. She's one of my agents in the Chucky by Lucky Houses, a real estate company. And now she's also very persistent. Now, the reason why I say that is because you've been working on this deal for how long?
Before the pandemic.
Exactly. So I think it was probably at the end of January, beginning of February.
Yes.
And this was a deal that we knew if we got under contract, that we had all these different variables that we had to deal with, that once we clear it up, this would be a home run deal. So that's where we're going to go to right now, and we're going to break down the numbers that count.
These days I get replays, blue faces, how I decorated the loose page. Remember how I used to serve the plate, clean the food tray, working 8 to 4 from Tuesday through the weekdays. Hustle evenings at the stool off Highway 92 in Haywood, always running just a few late, tucking a new game back to the.
There was a couple of challenges that we had to deal with this property. One of which is that when you're in the middle of a pandemic, which is something that none of us have ever faced. I believe the last one was in 1918, if I'm not mistaken. Deborah, exactly how did we find this deal?
From the courthouse.
And this was a courthouse property that we saw the motivation, and now it was just a matter of building rapport. Because any deal that you work with, I'll tell you right now, it's not about buying the property, it's all about building rapport. I think in this situation, we had a situation with this deal where the seller that you was dealing with had another offer that was almost $15,000.
Right.
And she decided to go with us because of the fact that you have built that trust with her. She had that confidence that you wouldn't do her wrong, which we're not, and that you would be able to help her out of her situation.
Correct.
So keep this in mind, y'all, that a seller will trade equity for peace of mind. Don't go in trying to buy the house. Go in trying to solve the problem. And this is the deal that Ms. D got under contract.
When I think about yesterday, my oh my, my oh my, a kiss and so I did.
Okay.
Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. Since I met you, I feel unbreakable. My